Hey, so look, let me tell y'all this, all right? So, so for a long time, I ain't really think that, you know what I'm saying, females snore. You know what I'm saying? I always thought that was just something that men did. I didn't know, you know what I'm saying? I didn't snore. So I thought the rest of females didn't snore, you know what I'm saying? But nowadays it's like all females snore. So I know for a fact, you know what I'm saying, females ain't just start snoring unless there's some shit that just started happening. But look, last night, I'm laying over here and laying in my spot and Courtney in her spot, and you know, at this point, her back turned facing me, you know what I'm saying? So her back to me, and I'm laying on my phone, you know what I'm saying? And I just hear and this go on and go on, and this every night, dog. This every night she's singing a different fucking song, dog. Like, I'm talking about every fucking night, and it's so bad that Naya done started snoring, bro. I swear to God, Naya be, and I'm looking at these two, but yeah. So you know what I'm saying, and it just so happened that every time every time she go to snoring, the whole time that she ain't snoring, when she first fall asleep, she don't be snoring for a little minute. She don't wanna cuddle then. She wanna start snoring then cuddle. So she right here in my motherfucking ear like a motherfucker. You know what she sound like? Sound like one of them goddamn chairs. You trying to pull a chair from it, it's like doing all that. Yeah. Sound like a revving fucking engine. Then this bitch trying to wake everybody up, peeling the paint off the wall in this bitch, man. For real, man. I know my lady ain't the only lady that snore, man. I done heard too many women snore. And this bitch sounding like you trying to motherfucking wake the whole house up. I say, babe, you know you was snoring last night. She say, I can't help it. I'm asleep.